Your people, it's a Jerry 360, don't know. Basically, I'm gonna do a quick push-up session for you, know. Can't. Let's do this. Like, yeah. I'm gonna do explosive crossovers. They were like, Ajayi, how did you get that body though? I was like, block workout, G! Get some real money. Bang bang. Saturdays, 12 noon. Men's, be there or be square. Don't know. Shout out to Boost. Shout out to all the man them doing all them crazy stuff on the bars. Shout out to all the sergeants. Shout out to street workouts. In fact, shout out to everybody. You just go there. What's wrong? What's wrong? Have you seen his back fam? Have you seen his abs? Have you seen them biceps? It's block workout, G. Obviously I don't go, but it doesn't matter. You can do it in your house. You can do it on the road. You can do it anywhere.